Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. You will see clear data and clear cache is delete. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. After click on reset, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone pin and click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.